I'm Alexandra and I work at VILPE Oy. VILPE is a Finnish family-owned company and we have been in the ventilation business since the year 1975. An essential part of ventilation is to bring fresh air into the house, and this can be done with the intake vents. Vents and their accessories can be purchased from selected hardware stores and you can install everything yourself. In this video I will guide you through the installation of our VILPE Wive intake vent. Installing the VILPE Wive is easy. All you need is a drill and a saw. Additionally, a hole saw can be required to create an opening through the wall. You can install the VILPE Wive straight on through the wall, to replace an old vent, or in a ventilation window. This house is an older building from the 80s which already had intake vents. However, the owner wanted to upgrade this with the technically superior and stylish VILPE Wive. If you are not installing a vent to replace an old one, you will need to drill a hole of 105 mm in diameter through the wall. In cases where you are replacing an old vent with the VILPE Wive, make sure the opening is 105 mm in diameter and carefully remove the old vent. First, install the pipe through the wall. The VILPE Wive pipe consists of 3 parts. Assemble the parts in accordance to the thickness of the wall and carefully insert the pipe into the opening. In this case, the thickness of the wall requires 2 pieces. Be sure to push it into the opening the right way. Next, you must cut the pipe to fit the wall. Mark the spot where you need to cut. Cut the pipe using a saw. Insert the cut pipe. Next, drill the vent casing onto the inner wall. VILPE Wive can be purchased with or without a thermostat. The main benefit of thermostat is that it automatically closes when the outside temperature drops. This will prevent the cold air from entering the room. If you live close to a heavily trafficked road or in a noisy area, you might want to consider purchasing a silencer from the VILPE Wive product line. Since this house is located in a quiet area by the woods, the silencer is not required. Now you can attach the filter to the pipe. Make sure the filter is securely attached. Push the entire section into the pipe and secure it. Make sure that you hear a clicking sound. Now you can attach the vent cover. Make sure that you hear a clicking sound. Now I have installed the intake vent to the interior wall, and now I will need to install the parts to the outside wall. VILPE Wive comes with a white exterior grille, but other color options are also available. Since this house is red, we decided to purchase a red grille separately in order for it to match the exterior wall. The exterior grille consists of 3 parts. Secure the grille to the wall using the 4 screws in the package. Next, attach the grille to the wall. You can find the VILPE Wive intake vent and its accessories in selected hardware stores. VILPE Wive is an easy and stylish way to ensure that there is enough fresh air flowing into the building. If you wish, you can paint or wallpaper the vent to match the interior design. Watch our painting and wallpapering instructions in the following video.